We can make a lot of money today with this simple strategy, and you only need to invest a bit of your time, and you have to have a keyboard and a speaker. Okay, that's it. Now hit that subscribe button and let's go and see how it's done. First of all, this is the website which is gonna get us paid, 3playmedia.com. Trust me, there's good money in this. Of course, it won't be like thousands of dollars each day, but it will be some nice money during 1 month, and you can see that these guys have a lot of trusted customers and they have a lot of these partners, really popular ones. And what are you gonna do in here, guys? Well, you are just gonna transcribe things, okay? Just take a look at this, guys. All these partners, this is a really good website, so let's go. As soon as you connect to 3Play Media, you can just go and you can just click on jobs over here, okay? Then you will be able to join the 3Play Media team, okay? You can see that this is a rapidly growing provider of video accessibility services. So what do you want to click on is this, freelance transcriptionist jobs. Now this is really something that is way too easy. I mean, this is way too easy. You will just listen to audio files and you will just transcribe them to a piece of paper, of course, a Word document. I mean, it is so easy, guys, and it can be profitable as well. So what do we want to do? I told you guys, freelance transcriptionist jobs. You can do this wherever you live, whatever you do. You can live in Africa, you can live in America, in Australia, in Asia, wherever you want to live, guys. You can live even here and you can still get that money, okay? So now you can see that you have a few options. You can be English transcriptionist or you can be Spanish transcriptionist, okay? Or you can be English voice writer. But I'm gonna stick to these two, okay? If you know Spanish, this is gonna be a good opportunity for you. But the majority of us can be English transcriptionist and you only need some good English, okay? But it's not gonna be too hard, guys. You will just listen to it. You can use Google as well. So what I suggest is that you start right away just like these people. Just look at these happy faces. Just take a look at this guy. He bought his new sunglasses with the money he got from 3Play Media. So I highly suggest that you go, guys. So for example, you will just be English 3Play transcriptionist. Click on it, and then all that you will have to do is you have to make yourself an account and you can just go work from home, earn weekly paychecks, and you can create your own schedule, okay? So you can see it in here. We're seeking eager editors for contract work to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription. So some of these jobs will require of you to listen to audio and then you will transcribe something, and some of these jobs will include editing others, okay? So other transcriptions, you can just edit those out and you can get money for that as well. So just click on start new transcriptionist application, complete this simple information about yourself, so first name, last name, email address, country, and you are ready for making money with this. Then of course these guys will thank you for applying in here, and then you are gonna start getting these jobs, and that's all that you have to do on 3Play Media, okay? Of course, hit our subscribe button if you like this strategy. Thank you. Now, if you need a bit of a help for those people to accept you, but they will anyways accept you, but if you want to show them that you can type fast and that their work is gonna be done fast, just go to type and test. Just type this in Google search bar. Just click on this first link, and in here you can just practice your typing speed, okay? I suggest that you practice until you get 50 words per minute. You even have some games here. You can play these games, so you can trade typing skills with these games, and then you can type faster. So you can see that you have these 1-minute tests or 2 or whatever, and then you can choose what you want to do. So you can choose, for example, and I've told you 50 words per minute is gonna be that, okay? Then you can go and click on this certificate and you can start getting that certificate, okay? So you can of course practice more, but this test is gonna last for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna get something like this. This is a typing skills certificate, okay? Here is gonna be your name and typing speed and accuracy as well, and total net speed. So I suggest you get this so you have an easier time, okay? And the next website that I wanted to show you is Transcribe Me. This is over at transcribeme.com, and this is the same principle. In fact, here I think that you can get even more money, because if you go on jobs, you will see in here, guys, that For example, highest pay is $2.2 thousand. $2.2 thousand. Okay, that's a good amount of money for you. You can see that the average monthly earnings are $250. So if you are an average Joe and you just type like a little bit every day or something, you will get $250 each day. But this is what you should aim for, $2.2 thousand. Okay, that's a good thing. I advise that you join this team as well so you can combine both of these websites. Just click on Get Started, complete some simple information, and you can just go and do this on this website as well because it is pretty easy, okay? The more of these you get, the more money you're gonna get. So I highly suggest that you take some action with this. It is pretty cool. And the last one, but this is maybe the best one because apart from English, on ref.com, you can even transcribe in your own language. So let me just show you this, okay? You can just scroll down to the bottom and we can find this button which is called Become a Freelancer. And when you come in here, guys, if you scroll down, you will see that if you know a foreign language, you can just translate subtitles, okay? That's what you can do. And just take a look at these rates, 1.5 and up to $3 per minute, okay? Dollars are great in here. So if you click on learn more, you will actually see that the average earnings here are $9.50, okay, per month, because no one, in fact, a little bit of people know these languages on this list over here, okay? So if you know any language from this list, well, you are a lucky guy, okay? You are blessed, my friend, because just take a look at this. If you know Italian, it is $2.5 per minute, okay? If you know Hindi, it is $2.2, okay? Dollars. It is all about dollars, man. Just take a look at this, 2.2 per minute. And if you do this for 60 minutes, guys, just take a look at this, $132 for a 60-minute audio file. That's great money. And you can do this in each one of these languages. If you know French, that's it. If your language is here, well, go and do it. You can actually see that Rev.com has 6,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and then they have 4.4 out of 5, so you can just check this out. They also have a lot of these good comments on Trustpilot, so you can actually be sure that this website is pretty good. So you have seen the rates for these languages, but if you go back and you just check the rates for English language, you will see that they are way lower. So it is 0.30 to 1.10 per audio video minute, but it's still good money. It is way better if you know any other language, but it is still good for this one. So you get 1.1. So if we take that into calculation, 1.1 times 60 minutes of audio, that's $66 for you, okay? That's good money. And consider that you work, I don't know, 25 days in a month, guys. Now just take a look at this, $1.6 thousand. I highly recommend you do this, whether you speak English or whether you know any of these foreign languages. This is a great opportunity. Just take a look at the average earnings per month for these foreign languages. This is nice money, guys. Just go and do it, apply yourself and take that action, okay? I'm gonna catch you later.